morning.
Morning. You got to school so quickly.
Yes, I'm on motorbike at school already. This time did you come? You woke up late?
Of course no. I go to school using the cycle, so I takes a long time.
Why? Can riding a motorbike be faster?
Yeah, I know, but using a bicycle can reduce pollution and to save energy, and of course, it makes relaxing.
Oh, I see. Okay, tomorrow I will ask bicycle to go to school.
Wow, that's really good.